Okay.
So hi Anita, how are you?
Fine, sir. How are you?
I am fine. Okay. So tell me something about yourself.
Yes, sir. Myself, Anita N. I am from Mysore. I have done my MBA in Marketing and Finance Specialization from Bangalore University. It's a B school, St. Hopkins College. And I have done my BCom from Mysore University and PU with 91% and got a second topper for the Taluk. And come to my internship part, I have done internship in VOCM Enterprises Private Limited for about 6 months. And experience part, I have done job in Prerana Motors Private Limited as a sales executive plus front office. Come to my family background, we are 5 members in our family, including me, my father and my mother, and I have one younger brother and my grandmother. My strengths are I'm hardworking girl and I have a good communication and convincing skill. Even I have a good learner and a quick learner also. That's about me, sir.
Okay. So my first question to you is, why do you want to join Byju's?
Sir, Byju's is a top leading company and which is providing education through online, and it is providing education to students with satisfaction,
Hmm.
and it is giving a good compensation to its employees and satisfaction to customers. That's the reason I have to join Byju's. If you join here, my career will be good and I can grow easily in a fast growth. That's the reason I have to join.
Okay. And what's the basic difference between sales and marketing?
Sir, in sales, it's mainly about a sales part of things. We have to sales. We have to do sales for some consideration. But in marketing, we have to do activities to introduce product to customers and to tell features, product features to customers. So it is a long-term process. Compared to sales, marketing is a long-term process.
Okay. So what if I offer you a job in marketing domain in Byju's only?
No, sir, I like to work in sales job only. Like
Okay.
it's more
Okay.
depend on interaction with customers.
Okay. Cool. So now we'll have some scenario-based questions. Okay. So treat me as a customer, and you become the salesperson, and try to convince me to buy a product. Okay.
Okay.
So my first question to you is that suppose you are a salesperson in an Audi showroom. Okay.
Okay.
And I am a rickshaw puller. Okay. I am coming to
Okay.
your shop to buy a Audi. Okay. So how will you sell me a Audi?
Yes, sir. For rickshaw person, as a rickshaw person, you are earning at least per day some 500 to 1000 as a profit per day. So
Yes.
monthly some
My monthly
30,000.
earning is 10,000 rupees.
Okay. After your expenses, your monthly income will be like some 10,000 as a rickshaw
Yes.
owner. But if you buy a
Yes.
Audi, your income will generate to next level. So you can earn more
Okay.
money once you buy the Audi car. You can provide it for rent with higher rate of money. So
Okay.
your rate of returns will be high. So within a minimum
Okay.
time period, you can earn more money.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the cost of Audi? Minimum cost of Audi?
I think it will start from 40-45 lakhs.
40
I'm not
lakhs.
sure
Okay.
about it. Yeah.
So, okay. So, do you think that 40 lakhs is an easy amount to arrange for me?
No, sir. Actually, it's difficult for you.
Okay.
If you
So, what
are
plans do you have?
like if you want to buy a Audi car for your business purpose, we are providing loans also. We have loan facilities from our company itself. We will provide a loan for you. With that money, you can pay in an installment or in EMI type. We have some type of plans for you, like how many years
Okay.
you want. That's kind of thing we will
Got
arrange
your
for you.
point. Got your point. But what about down payment? I have to make down payment, right? Of certain amount. So,
Yes,
I
sir.
told you
Some
that I don't
like
have much money. So, how to pay the down payment amount?
I have two options, sir. We'll be having two plans for you. One is without down payment also, and another one is with a down payment. Without down payment with some high amount of interest rate. And if you pay at least some 5 to 10% of down payment, interest rate will be at least 1 to 2% interest rate will be minimum for you. So
Okay.
whatever the
So,
loans you're
what do you think? What monthly EMI will I be able to pay? Like
like, if you
after making down payment also, like what monthly EMI will it come to me?
Like if it is, if for example, if 40 lakhs the car, if it is, if you pay, for example, some 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs, another 35
Okay.
lakhs will be your loan.
Okay.
And apart from interest, your 35 lakh will be divided into your aspired number of years. Like if it is for 10 years, so total number of money divided by the total number of, for example, if you in a year, if you have a 12 months, so for 10 years, so 12 into 10, so 120 months. So 35 lakh divided by 120. So whatever the amount will come, like 35,000, that will be by your EMI part.
I got your point, but as I already mentioned that I am earning 10,000 rupees. So how will I be able to pay 35,000
Yes,
per
sir,
month?
but you
That is a
are
big task, right?
at present you are running a rickshaw. That's the reason you are getting some 10,000 as an income. But if you buy a Audi car, your rate of returns will be high, no? So you can make money. You can make more income. So you can pay it EMI.
I understand your point, but how to arrange down payment amount? Yeah, how to arrange the amount which I have to pay right now at the very first go? You might not be
Yes, sir.
giving me a car for free, right? You will take
Yes,
some
sir.
charge
That's
for me,
true. Like I
right?
told you options, right? If you are without down payment and full loan amount, like compared to with down payment loan facility, we are giving some 1 or 2% extra interest for your loan without down payment. Whole for 40 lakhs, if
Okay.
it is, though if you are paying 5 lakh down payment, so another 35 lakh down payment for loan, it will be like 5% per annum. Otherwise, if you are without down payment and 40 lakhs loan, it will be like 6 to 7% interest for 1 year.
Okay, got your point. Okay. So my next question to you is, how do you sell a fish to a Brahmin?
Like Brahmin, as all of us know, Brahmin won't eat any fish or that kind of thing. So they can buy fish for as a pet for their home. So it will be good for their vastus. They'll believe something like that. So it will
Okay,
be good if they buy.
suppose if my family is not allowing me to keep as a pet also, they are against it. That if we like take fish to my home, okay, if the fish
Okay.
dies in my house, then we'll have like certain kind of curse kind of thing, right? So if they are
Okay.
against this, then what to do?
No, sir. This fish is the different kind. So if you keep in your home with a certain circumstance, like with some facility, it won't die. It will sustain for longer period of time. So it will give good vastu for you also. So if
But what
it's
if my
better if
family
you
is
buy
not
it.
allowing? Then
I'll convince them, sir.
you'll convince them. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And if it is the cost of my religion, if my family is saying that if you bring the fish to my home, it will hamper the religion, then what you'll say?
Then I'll. So no, sir. Nowadays, all people will have fish in their homes. So it's not
Might be,
like
think of it, they have a mindset, and they are saying if I bring fish to my home, that will hamper my religion.
I'll
That
give
are, they
some
are saying the
example.
simple thing.
Like I'll give some examples. Like after buying this fish, so many people in their homes they have changed in drastical ways. So I'll give live examples. By seeing, you can 100% you will agree with it, sir. I'll show you such things. They have changed in their
Okay,
life as drastically.
okay, cool. Okay, got your point. Okay, so how will you sell me a wired earphone if I am having the AirPods with me?
Okay. Airports you will get sometimes you'll plug it you to your ears. Yes. For if you are busy or if you are in rush, you won't get to know if it falls also. But if you have a wire kind of earphones in your ears, and it will be stay like this, so even if it fall down also, you will get to know.
Okay,
And our
but do you think
earphone,
that both will have same sound quality?
uh, almost yes, sir. If you
Okay,
this earphone is very good earphone. It is having a smooth and very
okay. Tell me one
smooth,
thing. What is the cost of the earphone that you are using right now?
just 250 rupees, sir.
250 rupees. And the
Yeah.
AirPods which I am using right now, that is 14,000 rupees.
Okay.
Okay. So do you think that both will have the same quality?
So one thing I'll guarantee you, that is it won't harm you. So when you listen for long hours or two, also it won't harm your ears. So if
Okay, then
you
tell
buy
me one
a,
thing. Why is the difference of this much amount? Your earphone is up to 50 rupees. My AirPods is having a much high price. Why there is a difference of so much big amount?
according to me, it's like it will show your status. According to my point of view, one
Okay.
is status, and I agree it will give a good like experience compared to wired earphones. But
Okay.
one thing is, for airports they have to plug charge. So certain
Okay.
amount of time we have to plug charge. But these earphones you cannot use like that. So you can use without plugging for charging also. So it is
Okay.
friendly in nature. Like
So
even if you are in rush,
do you think it is worth to pay 14,000 rupees for wireless earphones or earbuds?
I don't feel like this.
Okay, you don't feel like that. Okay, no issues. Okay, so now we'll have some academic questions to you. My first question to
Okay.
you is, what is Newton's second law of motion?
I don't know, sir. Frankly
Okay,
speaking, I don't know.
okay. My second question is, do you know about equation E is equals to mc square?
Yes, sir. Einstein's law.
I want to know, I want to know the name of the equation, the name of the theory basically. It is a theory, right? So what theory
Like
is it?
mass and energy are same or equal.
There's a name of a theory. I just want a name. That's all.
Einstein theory.
Einstein gave the
I'm not.
equation, but Einstein has given a name to a theory also. What is the name?
I don't know,
Okay.
sir. Sorry.
Why the color of sky is blue?
Because blue is a lighter in surface. So blue color is there everywhere in on the earth. So it has a small molecules. So it will move fastly and very sharply. That's the reason when you see blue color, when you see sky, it will feel like it is in blue color. It's there
Okay.
almost on everywhere on atmosphere.
Okay. Can you tell me 7 colors of rainbow in sequence?
Red, yellow,
In
orange,
sequence.
yellow, orange, red,
No, no.
and gray.
It is having a pattern. Do you know the pattern? There's a
No, sir.
pattern to remember this.
Uh, some word is there. I don't remembering it.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm talking
One
about the
code word
same
is
word.
there.
What is the word?
Yes, sir. I am not remembering it.
Okay, cool. No issues. So now I'll ask you, suppose now we'll consider the situation in which I am your customer and you become the
Okay.
BDA of Byju's. Suppose that you have
Okay.
got the job role in Byju's, okay, and
Okay.
now you have become the BDA in Byju's, okay.
Okay.
So you are coming to my house to sell a product of
Hmm.
Byju's, okay, and
Okay.
as a customer I'm raising a concern. The concern is
Okay.
that I have asked you few simple questions of class 5 or class 4, right?
Okay.
You were not able to answer simple question, simple academic
Okay.
questions, right? So
Okay.
now my concern is I am having a trust issue with Byju's now. Because see, I don't know
Okay.
Byju's. I know you.
Okay.
Okay. So I asked
Okay.
you few questions to clarify my doubts. But
Okay.
what I got the result that you don't know any answer. Okay. So now
Okay.
basically I'm having a trust issue with Byju's.
Okay.
So now what will be your response on this?
Yes, sir. Because I have done my classes from normal schools and colleges. So, but I am
Okay.
telling you to get coaching from Byju's company, Byju's academic, this one. So, in our part of time, like it's not so long, but even though compared to my schools and my school's education, it's not so up to the mark. And even we won't remember because of we listened it. But nowadays Byju's is providing you video visualization in classes. Because of that, when children see that, when children understand it thoroughly, in depth knowledge. So when the
Okay.
children used to see the videos, their concept they'll remember for a longer time period. That's the
Okay.
reason you should join for Byju's. You
Okay.
should buy it.
Okay. I have a question on this. Okay. Tell me one
Okay.
thing. Have you learned ABCD from Byju's application?
No, sir.
Then how do you remember ABCD till now? and you don't remember Newton's law. Because see, you told me that Byju's app is giving a good concept, right? It is
Okay.
giving a video learning pattern, right? Then we are
Okay.
able to grasp the concept easily, right? Then what
Yes.
about ABCD? Because we all have learned ABCD from books, right?
Like
But till
ABCD.
today also, we don't forget.
Okay, sir. ABC and all we are using in our day-to-day life. Like we will
Okay.
use English. That's the reason we'll use day-to-day life. We'll like we will thorough it by using more.
But Newton's
But
law,
this,
but Newton's law also we have studied for 5, 6 classes, right? From class
yes,
fifth
sir.
to class 12th, we have studied. Don't you
Yes, sir.
think
But
7, 8 years are
yes, sir.
not
Yes,
enough to
I'll
learn
agree.
Newton's law?
Yes, sir. I agree. But I'm a kind of girl. I'm very dull in science. Like compared to other subjects, I'm dull in science. That's the reason I just lost the memory of. So I don't
Okay, I
remember
understand,
concept.
but how can I trust Byju's now? Because I asked you a question and I'm not satisfied with that, right? So now
Okay.
how can I trust the Byju's, the brand?
You can easily trust, sir, because in metropolitan city and all the people used to buy this Byju's, and even like there is a brand ambassador that Akshay Kumar, sorry, that person also is the ambassador. So
What is
that
the name
big,
of that person?
I'm sorry,
Don't remember. Okay, cool.
yeah. Okay.
He's a famous
So
celebrity. You might know his name.
yeah, sir, I know him, but I
Mr. Shah Rukh
so
Khan.
that's
Do you know him?
yeah, Shah Rukh Khan, yeah, sir. Shah Rukh
Okay.
Khan. So such the big kind people are buying and believing this. You can easily buy this, sir. If you have a doubt, I'll give you an option. You can once if you buy, you'll have a option to use it for 15 days. Then you can return. If you don't satisfy in that 15 days, you can return that. Like we'll pay back your money whatever you paid.
Okay.
Once
So my
if
next
you
question to
exceed,
you is, okay, I got your
yes.
point. My next question to you is, I want to know 3 benefits of Byju's application, Byju's mobile application.
Okay.
Have
So
you gone through
Byju's
it?
is a yes, sir. So Byju's
Okay.
is your online education system. So students can learn anywhere and anytime. At any point of time, they can learn easily what they want to learn. They can easily learn one thing. And one more thing is Byju's is giving a visualization education system. So that will helpful to any children to grasp any concept easily without losing the memory. One more thing. And Byju's is providing very in-depth knowledge of education to every child. So it is a personalized education system. So whatever the weakness of system, child is there, Byju's will understand it, and depending upon their knowledge, it will give the personalized education to any children. Though that is the
Okay.
benefit of Byju's.
Okay. Tell me 3 negative points of Byju's application.
I don't feel any. It is having any negative points. I don't feel anything.
So as per you, it is perfect, right?
Yes, sir.
It does not need any modification. Nothing is required. It is perfect as per you.
Yes, sir. Only thing is that network issue. That is up to any parents and children.
Okay, cool. So my next question to you is, suppose my child is having a weak eyesight. Okay, he is
Okay.
wearing specs all day. Okay,
Okay.
and you told me that in Byju's application we have all the learning through the app tablet program, right?
Okay.
So if he'll be learning from tablet, he would be seeing the mobile application for more than 2, 3 hours a day, right? So he might
Okay.
be having issue with the eyesight, right?
Okay.
So what solution do you have for this?
Because sir, once any child they have to learn their classes studies like per day 5 to 6 hours of learning from books or anything. Whatever it is, they have to learn. Nowadays, because of COVID, everything is online. Even if your child is learning from a school, he has to learn from online classes or tablet or mobiles. It's a compulsory for me nowadays. So, Byju's is not providing you, as you know, 3 to 4 hours of learning. It's just 30 to 40 minutes of classes. So, it will be easy to him. And with a minimum short period, he'll learn the concept so easily and it will be memorable to him. So, it won't harm your child eyesight.
And what if I say he's a game lover? So he
Okay.
plays the game, the PUBG games and all that mission games. He plays all the day, from morning to
Okay.
evening. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the solution for that? How can we stop him playing games?
Like we can't stop any children without any children they'll definitely play the game. So if
Okay.
the once if you enroll for your Byju's application and start seeing the videos and classes, he'll build interest in him. It will motivate him to see in every time. So it will give enjoying. He'll learn while fun itself. So it won't bore him. Once if he starts seeing the videos, and he'll love to see the videos and he'll enjoy. So drastically he'll stop watching all those games and unnecessary play games. So he'll switch to this type of education, sir.
Okay, cool.
Right?
So my next question to you is, suppose I have used Byju's for 12 days, let's suppose, okay?
Okay.
And now I am telling you that the application is not good as per me. Whatever
Okay.
things I have seen, whatever pattern I have seen of studies, that is not good as per me. And I am asking for a refund, okay,
Okay.
of my full amount. So how will you stop me getting my refund?
Like first I'll ask them which class studies they're enrolled for, and I'll
Ask
ask
me.
them like for which class your son is.
Class
Now in
fifth.
which class he is studying?
Class fifth.
Class fifth. Okay. What kind of qualities you didn't like in Byju's, sir? Just
See,
tell
I
me.
don't think the pattern of teachers is good, because teachers are having a quite a good English, right? And my child is weak
Okay.
in English also, okay? And the way they are teaching things, that is not good as per me, because I have seen the video myself also, but I don't feel
Okay.
the quality of videos are good. The content which they are delivering, that are good. I don't feel so. So I just want the money back. That's all.
So you're not liking the type of content they're
Exactly.
providing.
Exactly.
Okay, so once I'll come to your home, and myself, I'll see your child progress, and after seeing that, I'll provide another some of other lecturing, which is only meant for them, like meant for your child, like depending upon your child education and what he wants, like what is
No, no, see,
mindset.
you are right. See, you are right at your point, but I don't want you to come at my home. Okay. I just want
Okay.
my money back. That's all. I don't want you come at my home. You explain me things. This will work that way. This will work that way. Don't explain me all that things. I just want my money back. That's all.
Once you can try, sir, because once
I don't
lecturing.
want to. I don't want to try, because see, I saw the lectures and I am literally bored. I feel like I am bored. The pattern is the same pattern, the same school pattern is there. Okay. Only thing is they are teaching on in online classes and teachers are teaching in schools. That is the only difference. Rest things are
No,
same
sir,
as per me.
I won't agree this, because we are providing classes in a visualization process. In your it will be video classes. Uh, your child will understand it easily, I think. So
That
it's
you
not
think,
about.
na, that is your point of view, right? But I don't think the same way. I don't think the same same pattern. So I feel that it will not help my child. So I just want the refund. Can you refund me the money or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir, definitely. It's up to you.
Okay. So
I'm
okay. So
providing
my
a good
last question to
solution
you
for
is,
you. Okay.
okay. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Okay. So my last question to you is, what plan B do you have if not hired today?
I hope I will selected in this select in this, because all the skills which are need for this job I have, like all communication and convincing skill, and I have a quick learner also. So what are the skills required for this job that I have? But in case if I didn't get selected in this, definitely I'll give a next try, and I won't quit it.
So will you try in Vedantu and other companies also, or will you wait for Byju's for next 90 days?
I'll wait, sir, because I'll prepare in other 90.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So Anita, I think the interview is done. Okay.